Hi, I'm Cici. Hot Tub Product Introduction. Today I will show you the ductless wall-mounted ERV. This is how this unit looks like. It combines fresh air, energy recovery, and purification functions in one unit. I will show you a video first. Okay, these are some features like multiple HEPA purification of 99%, indoor and outdoor air filtration, high efficiency heat and humidity recovery, silence operation, high efficiency fans with DC motors, remote control, AQI monitoring, and indoor slide positive pressure. Here is a sneak peek of the specifications. This unit, the airflow is 150 cubic meter per hour. The input power is 35 watt. Noise is 23 to 36 dBA. The weight is 10 kilogram. And the dimension is not large. The length is 450 millimeters. And width is 155 millimeters. And the height is 660 millimeters. In the package of this unit, you will find these spare parts, like installation panel, power cable, remote control, PVC ducts, air vent flange, and air inlet and outlet grille, back seal ring, side sealing ring, knock-on anchor bolt, plug adapter, and some nut and bolt. Why we call this unit ductless wall-mounted ERV? Because the installation itself is no need ducting, and it's much quicker than a system with ductwork. It can often completed by an HVAC installer in a few hours. This unit has optional two types of installation method. One is side installation. Another one is back installation. Let's view a back installation photos. These spare parts like seal ring, installation panel, air vent flange, rubber sealing rings are necessary. These photos were shared by some of our end users. I think for those who work in the heating and air conditioning business, this unit, the ductless wall-mounted ERV, it is one of the best way to promote energy savings and indoor air quality for your clients. And if you have interest to know how to install this unit, there is a separate video I shared ever before. If you have any interest, I will share the link in the word arrow. Welcome to check. Alright. Here comes the end of this video. If you have any questions or inquiries, welcome to let me know by cici@hottub.com. And I'm Cici. Thanks for your time. See you next time.